Hey guys, this is Richelle at Donnelly Ford in Shelby. I want to show you a fresh trade-in that we just took in. This is a Ford F-150 Lightning. This is all electric. As you can see, this does have navigation. It also has the 360 camera, as well as the camera in the bed. Oh, hi Jay! This also has the different controls here, plenty of driver assistance. And then taking a look down here, you can push down the gear shift and then pull this down so you have a workspace. This also has the wireless charge pad. Let's take a look outside. It also has a twin panel moonroof. Here's the front trunk. As you can see, there's 4 outlets here. There's a USB, USB-C right here. It's for you charge. Also, there's a tailgate step here in the back. And then you do have the 240 outlet as well as more of the household outlets. Comes at 249 Mansfield Avenue, Shelby, Ohio, and don't forget to ask for Richelle.